What's up, guys? Stas here. So we're going to break down Palantir in this video, the charts, my thoughts, how it's looking today as it is currently about 2 p.m. on the East Coast. And later in the video, we'll break down some other stocks that I'm watching and the indexes, which you're going to want to watch throughout the whole video, guys. So hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. We're trying to get to 50,000 subs this year. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Just check out that link down below and get your stocks, guys. Again, each up to $2,000, and there's a QR code right here. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into it. So check it out. It's currently about, again, 2 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir selling off a bit, down almost 2% on the day after opening up at about, let's see, $25.20. And initially, guys, when the markets opened, Palantir went up to about $25.50. You guys can see, which we hit that at about 9:35-ish. Actually, before that, 9:33. So literally in the first 3 minutes of trading, we hit that mark. And it's been pretty much downhill since, which is pretty interesting considering the fact that all the indexes are green. We have the Russell up 1.4%. Well, I guess the Nasdaq's at break even, but the S&P's up 0.25%. The Dow's up 0.7%. But again, Palantir's down almost 2%, which leads me to believe that we're at a big resistance. We are at a major resistance right now, which we're going to break down, of course, in a minute or two here, guys. So yeah, we saw a big sell-off in the morning from 25.50 to about 24.25. That was a roughly 5% sell-off. So clearly, another point worth mentioning, we got rejected at yesterday's high, which intraday yesterday, pretty much right smack dab in the middle of the day, we hit 25.40, 25.50, and yeah, we hit that today. Boom, got rejected. And now on the 5-day, 5-minute, we can see, wait a second, we got rejected there also about a week ago, 6-7 days ago on the 21st of March. And this could be a cup and handle in the making. Who knows here, guys? It's arguable, but I guess it's too early to tell. Either way, one thing that is pretty obvious, again, is the fact that 25.50, that's a big spot here for the bulls, and they keep failing to get out of there, guys. For Pete's sake, man, what is going on? What's going on in the short term? You can see it here on the 30-minute time frame as well. And this is not news. I mean, you guys that have been watching my YouTube channel, which make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you have not done so already. But you guys that have been watching, I mean, we've been talking about this, right? Which is why I keep bringing it up, because if we do get out of there, in my opinion, when we do get out of there, this thing could really start breaking out yet again. And on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in, actually, wait, maybe on the 20-day chart, we can see how that inverse head and shoulders is still intact, by the way. But again, you can see that 25.50 level. And here on the 4-hour chart, if I want to pull that up and zoom in a bit, there we go. We can see how we are showing signs of resistance at this trend line right here, which I just drew out. And we can also see that we have been making higher lows. So we do have that wedge still intact here on Palantir. Clearly higher lows, lower highs being made. And right now, right here in real time where we're at, right above the moving averages, this is the moment of truth, really, for the bulls, right? If we do hold 24.50, start pushing 25 again, all right, maybe we do start breaking out from that point, but we're just not fully seeing that quite yet on Palantir. But hey, I'm going to set my alerts and be patient, guys, because like I've said with individual stocks, especially ones that have gone up a lot in the short term, which Palantir fits that category, there's going to be periods of time where things cool off, things kind of chill, and that's where we're at now. We have been here for a couple of weeks, almost at this point, guys, 2 months on Palantir. Really, the stock hasn't done anything in 2 months. So Yeah, we'll see how long that lasts. Will it last longer? Will we sell off? Is a breakout around the corner? Either way, we're going to be breaking everything down here on the channel, guys. And let me set my alerts before I do forget. Let me do this now. I'll do one at $25. Mark is at or above. I'll do another one at maybe $26, and we'll see how it goes from there, guys. And yeah, let's talk about some other ones here that are moving, some other stocks that I'm looking at. So Intel is definitely at the top of the watch list for me. We can see if I just redraw this, this is very sloppy. Let me get this looking a little better, guys. We can see Intel's up 2.5% on the day right now. And if we pull out the channel tool, let me show you guys where we're at right now. We're pretty much testing the top here of this channel on Intel, and this could be a breakout spot on the stock, right? Are we showing a breakout, or are we seeing a breakout quite yet? Not necessarily, but mid-40s breaks, man, as we are pretty oversold. Eventually, we're going to start uptrending again. I'm trying to see or wait for the confirmation, which we might be getting soon. But either way, if the mid-40s start breaking, this could be back to the 50s, in my opinion, in no time. So I'm trying to, again, wait for the breakout. I'm trying to be patient and kind of time it right, although obviously no one's 100% accurate at doing that, of course. But yeah, my alert's at $45. We'll see how that plays out. And yeah, man, this could be a trade in the future. Again, waiting for the confirmation, though. For me, I'm not telling you guys what to do. Please do your own research as always, but that's IMTC. Some other movers today. It looks like Apple's, finally starting to get footing in the 170s. It kind of looks like we are double bottoming arguably here on the 4-hour chart, which I'm definitely watching this as the week develops here over the next couple of trading days. In general, I want to see how Apple does after double bottoming at 170, 172. It's currently up 1.6% as I'm making this video. If we do start pushing 175, 180, this could really catch fire quick, because at the end of the day, guys, this is Apple we're talking about, right? This is not Foot Locker, not throwing shade at Foot Locker or, Roblox or whatever. I'm looking at random stocks on my watch list right now. This is Apple that we're talking about, man. This could recover, and it could recover quick, kind of like what we saw with Google, right? I mean, obviously they're different companies. We're comparing apples to oranges arguably here, but whatever. We can see Google after earnings recovered massively from 131 to 150. Big rebound pretty quickly as well. Now, Apple has seen a longer drawdown. It's lasted longer than Google's kind of quick drawdown there. So it is a little different here, but either way, man, this thing's beaten down from December. We hit all-time highs in the middle of December, and, we're starting to see a double bottom. All I'm saying is keep your eyes on it. This could rebound faster than you think. It is Apple at the end of the day. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's AAPL. And let me do one more quick one. What's selling off today? Looks like DKNG. Okay, let me look at DKNG very quickly, as this one got pretty overbought. And by the way, we called this out. So this is one that we called out to a T. We outlined the ascending triangle. You guys probably remember this, right? We broke out all the way to $50, so we called the breakout, and now we're essentially giving back all the gains, right? Elevator or stairs up, elevator down. You guys have heard of that saying. That's what we're seeing right now on DKNG, and we're pretty much right back to the moving averages here in the low mid 40s. Well, I guess we're in the mid 40s right now, but we'll see if we find support here. Maybe the uptrend starts to continue on DKNG. So I'm not sure why it's selling off. Gambling stocks fall amid a report of federal scrutiny of VIP programs. Okay, there's a little bit of NCAA seeking a proposition or seeking to ban proposition betting on college athletes. So no prop betting on athletes. Yeah, that could get sticky. Who knows? I don't know how that's going to play out. But yeah, DKNG stock taking a bit of a beating. I'm watching it on the weakness. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo as well, each up to $2,000. Check out the QR code right here or go to stocksforfest.com/Moomoo. That's linked down below, by the way, guys. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, and fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And again, each of those could be valued up to $2,000. So get on it, guys. Use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one.